Hello, this is a message from future Chris. This video you're about to watch is from opening night of Howl-O-Scream. So there is definitely some graphic material. So if you have little kids in the room or you just aren't ready for this level of fear and gruesomeness, I suggest you don't watch this video. I filmed everything from Howl-O-Scream on opening night. All the Gwazi update, Iron Gwazi, was filmed yesterday. Today is October 11th, so that was filmed on October 10th. And I'm gonna put this video up right when I'm done filming it. So enjoy. Once again, if you have small ones, please don't let them watch it, or, you know, that's to your discretion. Also, I did film this on opening night at Howl-O-Scream, so I was able to film inside the houses. If you are going there anytime after opening night, media night, you will not be permitted to film inside the houses, just so you know. Enjoy. Oh my god, this place must be a real roach coach. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are back at Busch Gardens to give you another Gwazi update. I already walked in and looked at it, and there is so much going on over here. So let's skip all the talk and get right into it. There's track over the show building now. It is amazing how much they're getting done here. They are in full force right now. Working on the queue. You can see the purple track there in the background. It's going right over the show building. They got the cranes up. Working hard today. Let's see if we can get some better angles for you. Since our last update here, they have completely finished the roofs on these two buildings, the watering hole and I guess the main entrance. They're working on the roofs over to this one, and you can see they laid some track back behind that main entrance. And also the little peak over here, you can see some more track that they laid. Man, I cannot believe how fast. We were just here a couple weeks ago. They've already done so much. If you look back behind there, you can see where the track twists. Man, this roller coaster is going to be awesome. I cannot wait. Here is a great shot of the main, I guess, barrel roll. You can see where the track turns coming down the hill there. We are back behind Gwazi gliders. I'm waiting for Audrey to get off that. And I figure I'd show you a little peek through the trees here. You can see where the track goes up. I don't know how much you can pick up, but how high are you gonna go? All the way up? All right, have fun. Hey, Audrey. Sorry for the camera shake here. I'm on a suspension bridge in Sesame Street Land. So that's why I'm having a hard time keeping the camera still. Look at this brave girl.
That's